Hey everyone, it's Ben here. I thought I'd do a quick tutorial video on how to change out the dies in our Horizon creaser folder. So this is just a wonderful little machine we got here. It's great for doing perfs, scores, and folds on little size runs jobs. This thing really runs like a clock. It never stops. So we just love this little machine. So getting into how to change out the die, you open up the top lid here, and you can see right now that there's two dies in here, and so the little graphics tell you which type of die they are. So this type of image is a perf, and then this will be your score. And then the 1.3, the numbers, will be the thickness of your score. So to get the die out, you can't just pull it out. They're locked in here by these little side things, and that is also how you control the depth of your die. And so you have these screws that you have to get out. So if you go over here to our Kaizen foam, you can easily find our ratchet wrench. And so with this, you can easily get the screws out or loosened. And so what I like to do is once it's loose, then you just take your fingers on the bottom and you can just turn, and it comes out a lot faster than having to hand crank it the whole time. So we'll do that on each side. So we got it loosened, and then we'll just use our hands again. Alright, that's fine. And so it's very important that when you get the screws, not to lose them in the washers. It can be hard to, they might easily be lost in the machine, but we really need these. And so then once you've got that out, you have to slide these out. You can see in the prongs where they slide into those little holes over there. So you do that for each side. And then again, you slide them out. And at that point, now you can just pull your dice straight out. And so I'm not going to actually change it out, the die itself, but that's how you would do it if you needed another option. And then when you put it back in, you can see those little grooves. So you just fit your die, slide your die right into there. It has to be pretty level, so it can be a little tricky. But then, once you got it, you got it. It's also a little tough when you've got one hand operating the camera, I guess. There we go. So now that it's in, you kind of do the same thing you did in reverse. You gotta match that up into the holes, and they'll click into place, and then you can tighten the screws on there. One thing to note, it does actually matter which of these goes on which side. So you can see how there's the metal coming up, and you want that close to the machine, not in towards the machine. So that'll be the same on each side. One other thing to note when you are changing out the dies is the facing position. So they don't face the same direction, obviously. On this one, you need it to go towards the back, and then on the back one, towards the front. Kind of weird, but you will notice a difference on the performance if you do have that backwards. So I will quickly tighten these up off camera. But that's how you change out the dies, and then, of course, you got to put the tools back where you found them. So yeah, that's how you change out the dies. Thank you very much. Bye.